Hello and welcome to Science Visualized. Today we're looking at how to draw a skeletal structure in organic chemistry. So if we consider this structure here, we know that carbon forms 4 bonds. So this carbon here has already 1 bond, 2 bonds. So we need to add 2 more. Next carbon the same thing. And then let's say this carbon has an OH group. So that becomes the full structure. The condensed structure, we're going to summarize this. This will be a CH3, this will be CH2, CH2, and then this is a CH with an OH, and this is a CH3. So it becomes CH3, CH2, CH2, and then that CH with an OH on it, and the last CH3. So that becomes a condensed structure. Now for skeletal structure, we don't want to show any hydrogen that's connected to a carbon. That's rule number 1. Number 2, each end means a carbon. Number 3, each corner means a carbon. And number 4, we only show hydrogen that's connected on a heteroatom like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Applying these rules, we see that this carbon has 3 hydrogens connected to it, so we don't show any hydrogen connected to carbon. So that hydrogen will just be a corner. Let me number them to make it easy. I'll call this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So carbon number 1 is a corner, number 2 is another corner, number 3, that's another corner, number 4, that's another corner, number 5 is the last carbon. We know this carbon here has 1 bond, so that's 1, meaning that we're not showing 3 bonds, so that means that's actually a CH3, which is what we have here and here. This other one has 2 bonds, 1 and 2, so that means it's missing 2 hydrogens, so it's actually a CH2, which is actually that and that. And we can continue like that. But when you look at carbon number 4, it has an OH group. So we need to show that. Remember, we have to show hydrogens on heteroatoms like oxygen. So in that case, on carbon number 4, remember this is 5. So on number 4, we will show oxygen and hydrogen. And that will be the skeletal structure.